asunder. What God have joined together, let no man put us under. Music and talent are number one. And love is a beautiful thing.
Flipside, we
ìgbéyàwó ẹgbà gúdúgúdú méje. Àṣẹ gúdúgúdú méje. Ẹni bá máa ṣe ìgbéyàwó àṣẹ gúdúgúdú méje. Torí ìgbéyàwó ẹgbà gúdúgúdú méje. Ọkọ ìyàwó tọ́jú ajá rẹ̀. Ṣé ní wọ́n ìyàwó ọ̀nà wọ́n tọkọ rẹ̀. Oúnjẹ lásìkò, ọmọ lásìkò.
Thank you because this is the occasion that you have made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it.
Ladies and gentlemen, in our midst, this very evening, and if you know that Hilda is so beautiful, let me hear you scream!
It's Davido, but
it's amazing we're all here, showcasing our culture in different ways, where when you are patient with him, he will do things for you he will not even know he has done. Then he will come back to the boys and say, can you imagine I did this for her? And some of them don't understand. They'll say, wow, why would you do such a thing? But that's what's going to keep you there. That's what's going to keep you happy. And I pray for you guys. I give you only 100 years. Now, listen to her.
Exactly. That's the word.
Number two.
Exactly.
Number two, listen to her.
Listen to her.
And the third and most important one. Who's going to try? You see everybody left already. Listen to her, listen to her, listen to her. It takes you all the way. And to the beautiful bride, he will listen, but you also have to be patient with him. That's the only thing I can tell to the bride.
All the single brothers.
And she's a very sweet soul. She's very honest. And she's very accommodating. And I cannot think of anybody here that's more perfect for my dear friend Hilda, other than she will say. And you can tell when a man really loves a woman, he listens to her. Olusegun and Hilda, congratulations. Now your journey has just started. And on the journey, you need God. You need to invite God to lead you. You need to forget about yourself and ask God to help you. Because God is the one that instituted marriage. And He knows that man needs help. And that's why God to help you. To help you when you are weak, to comfort you, to also advise you when you want to go out of order. And like the chairman said, you need to listen to your wife.
Dance. DJ, this is the time we've been waiting for. We want to see love in display. Mr. and Mrs. Band. Woo! Love is a beautiful thing. That's how the story began.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met,
Mama Diddy was a young man on a journey.
I found the one and my life had found its
You know, that being alone is boring. You gotta be smiling for life. Along came the beautiful queen, Hilda. Today we celebrate the news of love. We celebrate the awesomeness that God has put a man and a woman. The one and only license to be the mother of my baby.
falls in love, we let her go.
Hilda says,
I walk her down the
say it again, 100%. Come on, a round of applause, round of applause. Thank you so much. Please have your seat, have a seat. And give it to her. Hilda, take off one of your shoes and pass it to him. Let's go. Chef, chef. Who is the better chef?
Mami Dele.
Ah,
Mami Dele.
is he Hilda? Is he Hilda? Can you see? Only Hilda is up, oh. Hilda is up, oh. Mr. Round of applause for Hilda! But people are contemplating. It seems Bamidele is also a chef.
Yeah,
He's very good.
Really?
sure.
Have you had his food before?
Always for 5 years now. 5 years.
5 years.
Several times.
And he's been doing it 100 and 100. 100 over 100. 10 over 10. Steady. Please round of applause for Chef Bamidele. Okay now, are you ready? Next question. Who made the best move? Who made the best move? If it is him, you put the shoe up. If it is her, you put her shoe up. Come on now, come on now. Who did the first one, the first move? Put it up. Somebody say Bamidele. Okay, next question. Need to start a fight. My sister, my brother, what ladies cannot do does not exist. Thank you. Now, second question. Who is likely to end an argument? Oh, a round of applause for the gentleman. Thank you so much for being a gentleman. Are you guys ready for this one? Who said, I love you, baby, the first time? That's not correct. That's not correct. Your friends even know that you don't snore. Really? He doesn't snore.
Doesn't snore.
Like this one is a tie. Huh? You cannot find my ring. Alright. Okay now, since you guys have known each other, who has lost things the most? Hi again, Hilly. You have been throwing things away. You cannot find your things. Oga, he's correct, he's correct. Calm down, next question. On social media. Hilda. Hilda Diodogo on social media. God bless you. Now, between the two of you, who is more likely to waste money? Hilda, your friends have betrayed you. No. It has to be one of you. Who's more likely to waste money? Hilda, please drop that shoe. Hilda, drop that shoe. Bamidele, thank you. Even your friends know. Say you are this pair. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you so much. Please, you can go back to your seat. Music DJ. Boss, one fact about you, a very relatable one, very loud one. it on her back. Alright? Guys, you are going to see shape that you've never seen before. Are you ready for the outcome? Alright guys, please.
Can I have it?
Show the camera your paper. Show everybody your paper. Missing.
Face here, face here, face here, and show
Come here.
me. Just face here.
Stand here.
Face me and show. Face me and show it.
Show whatever you drew. Okay. Okay.
David, I'll do far.
Are you guys ready to see what
Wait,
Misty drew?
show me, show me. Show me. Hello.
Misty. Whoa! Super S. Give me an ultimate you. Give me a resounding S. And that is Jesus. Come on and put us together. Hit me. Pass the comments. Oh yeah. Now the both of them are going to feed each other. Right? Hey! Oh! See the conversation between them? We want to see you, mommy, then they stop backing us. Oh! Let's go!
Coming far from home and trying to earn a living, and they got hooked together, and there's something about coming them together. It's about the blessings. One thing I say about their journey is that despite the fact that they came here to earn a living, there's something about God. While they're trying to make a survivor, there's a blessing attached, and that's the blessing we are saying today. Seeing Bamidele and Ira coming together. So I don't know if everybody do have it.
Yes,
You have it, right? So we are going to toast that the love will continue to grow stronger every passing day. Their children will surround their table. Love, peace, and joy into what they will experience. Cheers to the newlywed.
Don't
We are excited to have you people around. You have all made this a wonderful memory for us. And we appreciate your presence, your love, the prayers, the gifts, everything you've done. For leaving everything you have to do behind and coming over to this place to honor us. We are indeed very grateful. And we pray that the good Lord will continue to be with each and every one of you.
I did just 1,000 before we go just 10,000 together. Oh my